Hello beautiful people, today we'll make vegan caviar or vegan fish egg salad. Right here you have 100 grams of chia seeds, 350 milliliters of soy milk. This soy milk is made with a ratio 1 to 2. So for 1 cup of hydrated soybeans, there are 2 cups of water, 100 milliliters of water, 30 milliliters of olive oil, 10 milliliters of flaxseed oil, 30 milliliters of lemony lemon, 1 medium finely chopped red onion, and 5 grams of salt. So let's do it. Just a little word before we start. The chia seeds have amazing benefits, but from the fat point of view it's very interesting because 17% of this chia seed 100 grams it's omega-3 fatty acid, the short chain alpha linolenic. Also here, beside the olive oil that have great benefits, we have also a special fatty acid. This is flaxseed oil. This flaxseed oil 65 to 75% of its entire mass, it's omega-3 fatty acid, alpha linolenic, the short chain with 18 molecules of carbon. Right here I have the flaxseed oil that I'm using. I highly recommend you to buy good quality product. Look at this, these have only 4 months shelf life. So okay, here is a compromise, yeah. The bottle is plastic bottle, but I will tell you how this helped me. You'll notice a lot of flaxseed oil that come in good quality bottles, glass bottles, yeah, but they have 2 years, 3 years shelf life. This is not good because this is very sensitive fatty acid to light, to radiation, to temperature, to air, to everything. So how this is helping me, this butter? Okay, it's not very healthy to have a plastic bottle, but as I'm using from this oil, I'm squeezing the air out and I'm tightening the cap. So like this I have very little air oxidation inside the bottle. Also, I keep it in a plastic bag, in a paper bag in the fridge. So tie the paper bag and that's it, is no more light, yeah. So it's in a cold place, yeah, you have the fridge temperature, you have no air, you have no sun radiation, ideal condition, plus short shelf life. This is the real product. Like this you should buy your flaxseed oil. This is my opinion. Okay, let's mix this ingredient and let's see how it is. Just a little mixy mix. We start with the water, yeah, and you notice everything will be absorbed in a couple of seconds actually, and more or less you can just jam it all in this bowl and mix them together and let the chia seeds to absorb all the moisture, and that's all, you know. Just be very careful with lemon and with salt, yeah. You should use very less salt, but you add all the ingredients and then wait for the salt and lemon. So add the lemon and see if it's too lemon. If not, just add a little bit more, and the salt same, yeah, put 2-3 grams, see how it is, and then carry on. So see, it's already absorbed the 100 grams of water. Let's go with the soy milk. There we go. Okay, it will absorb totally, huh? Okay, already start thicken. Put the rest of the soy milk. There we go. Yeah, olive oil and the flaxseed oil. Oh yeah, till the last drop. Yes, there we go. And I have just the onion, the lemon, and the salt. Okay, I will let this get hydrated, and I'll be back at you very soon. Okay, the lemon. Look the thickness, yeah, get almost hydrated, and we have just the onion and the salt. Whew. There you go. Oh, look at that. Okay, and the salt, there we go. Okay, this is the finished product. I was just adding another tablespoon of flaxseed oil just for that fishy taste. Let's see how it's going. Oh man, amazing. Thanks for watching. I'm beginner, I'm gonna smash this.